Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to join a server in Discord without a direct invite link. There are a few ways to discover and join public servers, and we will go through them step by step. On your Discord dashboard, we can join a server without an invite link by clicking the Discover option on the left side of the screen. Here, we just need to click. In this section, we type the name of the server we want to join. For example, Dota. Here, we will be shown a variety of options, like communities for gamers. Once we find the server we want to join, we simply click on it. Now, once we are here, we click the top area of the chat, where we can join the server by clicking Join Server. After clicking Join Server, we just click OK, I am interested. And that's it. We have successfully joined a Discord server without an invite link. From here, we can join the server and chat with everyone, or check out what's new in the community. We can also explore and connect with more communities on the platform.